star of this painting is going to be this tree and the trunks and the beauty and the warmth that comes out of that. You see how you can really see the Indian yellow there, how transparent it is. I'm going to actually recreate some shapes that are pleasing to the eye. Shapes in paintings are just so important. This kind of stuff's really important for the final painting because we're not going to cover all of this up. We're going to have a lot of this show through. If you want glow in your paintings, you know, the glow of light, the grays are what make colors glow. If you don't have grays surrounding those little spots of color, you won't get any glow. But I like the idea of warms and cools sitting next to each other in a painting. Kind of adds some vibrance to the work. And you can see how helpful keeping these pools together. You can see the value difference and temperature shifts fairly easily. Again, check it and make sure it looks correct. Making sure you maintain some of those darks that are already laid down. Just lose that edge down at the bottom. I really want these trunks to glow. These trunks can really glow, as you can see in the reference. They really do glow like that late afternoon, these eucalyptus trees. Soften these edges, dry brush, and just kind of drag some of it around. As it moves back, I'm going to cool it down just a little bit. It's a very subtle little change here. These more tonal paintings are really about soft edges and keeping the mystery going in almost the whole painting. And you'll see as it starts to darken and warm the painting up. My encouragement to you is take one or two things and apply it to the way you work. Have it influence you in a smaller way. Because the most important thing we need to hear from you is your voice.